Hi, my name is Jimmy Raven Wolf, and today I'm going to make some quick chicken burgers. Enjoy. Just take one onion, maybe just a whole onion would do, and then a piece of ginger, some garlic. So we've got onion, garlic and ginger. So we will end up with something roughly like this. Okay, and in that we just take a whole chicken breast, put it in, and see what that looks like now. As you can see, there you go, mashed chicken. In that we shall add an egg. One egg, and then we take some flour. Bit of flour to give it some body, a bit of pepper. I mean, one can, I suppose, put chilies in it, put different types of spices, make it curry, but at the moment we're just experimenting, and it ends up like this. Anyway, just take a small amount and then pop it in the frying pan. And that's all there is to it, really, I suppose. It just takes a few minutes to blend all the ingredients. And we have a nice little chicken burger. The best way, I suppose, is to do this is to, once you make the patty, is to take a little bit and fry it and taste it. And then if you think you need more salt or pepper or any chilies, then there you go. It doesn't take that long to cook. Very garlicky, really nice. So there's your burger.